start with some horns. Or strings? Add some actual horns this time. Add the Sunday service choir and tell them to sing literally only 2 notes. Finish the melody off with an arp that sounds straight out of that one underwater level. For the drums, I started with this kick that's way louder than it should be. Then I added this clap. Hold on. Isn't this the clap from Add this hi-hat pattern that just gets sadder and sadder. For this snare, I found this really cool snare. I haven't really heard it in any other tracks, but I'm not sure. It's called the C-hop snare. Chop snare. Then I've got this impact and this church bell. Because I thought, churches and rapping about gangs taking lives, they really go hand in hand. It made sense, Anyway, we can't forget the 808. Once again, we've stretched our limits and have copied the melody almost note for note. And here's how the track should sound.